Hello and welcome to the third tutorial on how to use your WordPress website. In this tutorial we will look at how to edit an event and how to edit the links page. So we're going to just start by going to your dashboard here, and we're going to look at the Events tab here. So if we go to the events, there is a test event, but let's say we want to add a new event. We can just enter the title of the event, and then we can have a little bit of information about the event. And then if you scroll down, here's all the important things that are different for adding events. If it's an all-day event, you can select this button, but if it starts and ends at a certain time, you can choose that over here. If you click in the date box, it'll let you kind of add, look at a calendar essentially, which is a really handy way to. So let's say this is a weekend-long event. Then you can add the name of the place that you're going to have the event and their address and country here, the state and the province and the postal code and the phone number. If you do add a full address, you can also click this button, which will show a link to Google Maps as to where that event is being held. In this section down here, you have room for organizers' names. Let's say it's a conference that you're attending and you want to add the organization name of the conference and what their information is, their phone and website and email. If it's something that you are creating and you have a cost associated with it, you can add that here. Or if you're doing a free workshop, if you enter in 0 there, it will list it as a free event. This section down here is the excerpt. You have room up above for the full description, but on the calendar, if you hover over the event, it'll come up with just a little one-sentence blurb. So this is where you can put the one-sentence excerpt here. Then all you have to do is say, oops, and just fix my spelling because I'm a terrible speller, as you probably noticed. You can just publish the event. So now if I go to your website, notice that there is a new event in the upcoming events here, and it's called Conference, and here's the basic information about the event. If we had added more information, it would show up here. If I wanted to look at all the events, I could hit the View All Events button, and I can see it in calendar format if I want, and then it shows up here. And this is where I showed you that the excerpt shows up when you're hovering over an event. You can see that there. Or you can go back to the events list, and there it shows all of the events that are upcoming. This is all of really fabulous and easy to use events management calendar. The one thing that is also really nice about it is if there are no upcoming events, let's say that all the events have passed, then on your home page and all of this whole section disappears. There will be just no upcoming events posted showing if there is no events on the calendar. So that's a really handy thing. So next we want to look at the links. That's this for this tab up here. Right now we have these links posted, but let's look at how we can make new links. So I'm going to go back here to the dashboard, and I'm going to go to the Links tab, and I'm going to look at the All Links. So these are the ones that I have here, and if I want to edit them, you just hit the Edit button. But let's say I want to add a new link. So let's say, let's say it's mine. And then you'd put in the full URL address. Sometimes it's just easier to type, to copy it than it is to do anything else. So I just went to my website here and I copied that, and I'm going to paste it there. And then here is a place for a description. And then you can add it to a category. If you wanted to add a new category, if none of these categories really describe what you were creating this link for, you can just hit the Add New Category. Or let's just say that this is maybe in the links category, just as an example. You can also have a few things here. The target mode is if you want, for example, when somebody clicks on this link, do you want them to leave your website, or do you want them to go to a new window, or do you want them to go stay in the current window? You can select those or not, whichever you want. There's also some additional information in case that you do want to identify this person in other ways. If they're a coworker or colleague, if they're a family member or a friend, you can add those things, or you don't need to also. If you want to add an image, you just need to add the address of the image here, and you can also add some notes about that link if you would like. So then all I have to do is hit the Add Link button, and then let's go look at this, look and see how it looks. So we can go to the links page here, and look, there it is, a new link under the links category. Jill Carter Design, and if I select it, it will take you to my website. And then again, to delete these links, all you have to do is go to the All Links category, and let's say here's this one. I just want to hit delete, and it asks me to confirm, and there it goes. Now I don't have that linked on your website. So I think that's all you need to know in order to add events and links to your website. Next tutorial, we'll work on how to update the menu and the contact form. Thanks for listening. Bye.